Hi, we are High Energy Sports, and I'm here with Jacob and Angie, who will be demonstrating how to disinfect your Skycoaster flight suits between each use. First, ensure you use all of the proper PPE, gloves, mask, and eye protection. Find an area to work in that is well ventilated and out of the direct path of the wind. Second, approach the flyer and remove the flight suit, ensuring to touch as few parts of the harness as possible which came into direct contact with the flyer's body. Third, find a suitable place to hang the flight suit from a non-stressed area, such as the suspension rings, that will allow you to cover all areas of the harness without additional handling. Fourth, grab your clear gear spray bottle. Ensure the spray nozzle is open and set to the widest spray setting. Hold the spray bottle 6 to 8 inches away from the flight suit and apply an even coat to the harness, focusing on areas that come into direct contact with the flyer or operator. These areas include, especially, the inside of the body, the shoulder straps, all adjustable straps on the legs and back, and the ripcord handle. Ensure not to oversoak the flight suit, as the spray only needs to come into contact with these areas to be effective. Fifth, allow 10 minutes for the spray to properly dry in a well-ventilated area and out of direct sunlight. Note, if you're able to leave the flight suit hanging to dry for longer than 10 minutes, please do so. If you must place the flight suit immediately back into operation, use a clean, dry cloth to wipe off any excess moisture before handling the flight suit and donning it onto another patron. Sixth, repeat this process after each flight. Thanks for watching.